in the mornings when you get up, you prepare your clothes for the day. You mean, you don't prepare it the night before bago ka matulog?
There would be times kasi I sleep at 9. Baka magulat
Okay.
pa. I sleep at 9. I make sure na
9.
9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay.
So at least 6 hours ng sleep.
Ay, good for you.
I do kasi parang ayokong masana yung katawan kung kulang ako sa tulog. You would notice it to me kapag kulang ako sa tulog, mukha kong kulang sa tulog. Magta-translate siya sa TV eh. And mas halata yung eyebags ko, kumakapal talaga eyebags ko. And I don't want people to see me na hindi prepared for work.
Oo.
So, I make sure na the most 9 p.m. I sleep at 9 p.m. at the latest. There would be times na I prepare it prior, pero may days din mas maraming araw, Miss Pia, na kinocurate ko lang yung susuotin ko the night before. Hindi ko siya actually pina-prepare the night before.
Okay.
Madali lang naman mag-steam ng damit, pero I know na nandyan lang siya sa closet ko. I want take a peek sa closet ko. Okay, red today. So, doon ako sa mga reds. Ano ko dito. Yung gano'n lang siya kadaling mag-style
Oh, nice.
I draw inspiration from social media. So syempre, I would look at the current trends at saka what would most people of my age would do. So sa social media talaga magsa-search. And then I go to Pinterest. Most of the time, nasa Pinterest ako.
Oy, that's a great tip ha. Kasi di ba ikaw ay kilala for being the fashionista opa. Tapos ikaw lang pala talaga ang nagsa-style sa sarili mo.
Yeah, well, it's a bit challenging kasi may mga times na mauubos ang ideas. So thank goodness, yung mga nakikita kong pwede kong gawing layers, ina-apply ko na lang siya pagdating sa work.
So board mo yan? Sinesave mo lahat yan?
Yes.
Ang galing!
Kasi madali na siya pag when you have a base. I read this sa social media. You actually start with the base, the most basic one that you can actually wear for the day. Tapos from there, yun na yung magiging pattern mo for the bottom, for the layer. Magiging madali na siya.
Siyempre, kilala ka for being the fashionista opa. Doesn't that come with a little pressure na kailangan kahit bawat labas mo ng bahay, kailangan postura ka, di ba? Pulidong-pulido ang suot mo.
Actually, well, to begin, vain na rin naman kasi ako.
No apologies for that needed.
Yes, of course. I'm unapologetically vain. If not for that, hindi naman ako magiging flight attendant. They wouldn't consider me as a flight attendant. Tapos, hindi rin naman ako makakonsider as a model at mag-TV if I didn't take care of myself.
Oo.
So, conscious na talaga ako dati pa. We were trained to take care of our grooming nung flight attendant ako. That's how I learned how to actually prep my skin, how my hair should look like. Nadala ko siya hanggang sa pagiging artista at TV personality now. The pressure, yes, may pressure kasi parang they are expecting you to look good every single time lalabas ka nga. Pero to me rin naman, it has a benefit kasi they perceive you as someone high of value na parang hindi ka pwedeng ilagay lang sa ganitong kahon sa ganitong image. Tsaka I don't really stick to one styling. At saka as much as possible, hindi very masculine. Kasi my features, not really that masculine. So, kaya try kong switch up yung styling ko to a little androgynous. They would actually wonder kung anong style yung suot ko. Ganun.
Oh.
To answer, be pressured.
When you say na you prepare your, you have a routine, meron ka yung skincare routine mo. Wala? Pero may nilalagay ka naman siguro sa mukha.
Kasi hindi ako nagpapamakeup. I started na nagme-makeup ako sa unang hirit. So medyo nakakapagod kasi hindi ko naman talaga gawain. So napagod ako 3 months ago. 3 months na akong hindi nagme-makeup sa unang hirit. Pero, no.
Wow! Sana lahat ng tao pwedeng hindi mag-makeup pag humarap sa camera, no?
Completely walang makeup to. I cover my eye bags.
And a little powder?
Allergic ako sa powder. I'm asthmatic, so hindi ako nagpa-powder. So, what I do, pagdating sa studio, sa makeup room, I just conceal my eye bags and lip balm.
That's it?
That's it.
Yun na yun? Wala kang papatanggal ng shine?
Actually, ako, inahayaan ko yung kinang eh. Hindi ko tinatanggal. Even yung pagiging oily ko. So, medyo makinang na nga rin yung mukha ko. Pero, parang I like it that way. So, kapag sinasabihin ako syempre ng mga nasa control booth, mga director, Kaloy, pa-touch up mo lang daw yung medyo makinang na yun. So, that's the time, I remove it like now.
Blotter lang.
Galing ko, gaganyan ko lang. Kasi
oh my gosh, Kaloy, nakakaingit ka naman.
Gets ko naman na hindi siya maganda sa TV kasi nagre-reflect yung kinang. Pero on regular days, I like it na may natural na nag-oil lang sa mukha ako.
Sa'yo, hindi siya mukhang oily. Mukha lang siyang dewy. Di ba may difference ng dewy tsaka oily? Ikaw ay pinagpala ng lubos, Kaloy.
I-embrace ko lang yung pagiging oily, Miss Pia. Embrace it oily.
You're not oily, you're just dewy.
Dewy, sige. I'll claim it.
Dewy.
Sorry, pag bisa mo na, Kaloy, parang umagad. Oily ka na. It's not oily, it's dewy.
It's dewy. It's just dewy.